If you own a Ford F-150 with the 3.5-liter EcoBoost and have experienced a rough idle, shaking, or misfire during a cold start, you're not alone. This issue has frustrated thousands of owners, confused technicians, and fueled countless forum debates. Some drivers are told it's normal, others are advised to replace expensive components, and a few are warned of looming engine failure. But here's the truth: most people aren't told. In the majority of cases, the cold start misfire on the 3.5-liter EcoBoost has a simple, proven fix, and it doesn't require tearing apart the engine or spending thousands of dollars. This video breaks down what's really happening, why it shows up mostly on cold starts, what Ford engineers and experienced technicians say, and the simple fix that works for most trucks. Understanding the 3.5-liter EcoBoost cold start misfire. The Ford 3.5-liter EcoBoost is a twin-turbo V6 designed to deliver V8-like power with better efficiency. It's powerful, capable, and generally reliable, but like any modern direct-injection turbo engine, it has quirks. A cold start misfire typically shows up as rough idle for the first 10 to 60 seconds, engine shaking or stumbling, flashing or steady check engine light. Misfire codes such as P0300, P0301, P0306, engine smoothing out once warm. Importantly, the truck usually drives fine once it warms up, which leads many owners to ignore the issue, or worse, chase the wrong fix. Why cold starts are the weak spot. To understand the fix, you need to understand why cold starts stress the engine more than any other moment. Cold fuel atomization. When the engine is cold, fuel doesn't atomize as efficiently. Direct injection engines like the 3.5-liter EcoBoost spray fuel directly into the combustion chamber, not over the intake valves. This design improves efficiency and power, but makes cold starts more sensitive to ignition quality. Rich air-fuel mixture. The engine runs richer during cold starts to stabilize combustion. If spark quality is weak or inconsistent, misfires are far more likely during this phase. Moisture and condensation. Overnight cooling allows condensation to form in intake and ignition components. Any weakness in coils or plugs shows up immediately on startup. As one Ford powertrain engineer explained in a service training session, cold start conditions expose marginal ignition components that may appear fine once the engine reaches operating temperature. The most common cause: ignition components, not engine damage. Despite alarming rumors online, most cold start misfires are not caused by internal engine failure. In fact, veteran Ford technicians agree on a common root cause: weak or failing ignition coils. Ignition coils are the #1 culprit. On the 3.5-liter EcoBoost, coils can degrade internally due to heat from turbocharged operation, moisture intrusion, electrical stress during cold starts. When cold, a marginal coil struggles to generate sufficient spark voltage. Once the engine warms up, resistance changes and the misfire disappears. A senior dealership technician with 15 years of EcoBoost experience explains it simply. If it only misfires cold and clears up warm, 9 times out of 10 it's coils, even if they don't look bad. Worn or incorrect spark plugs. Spark plugs are often overlooked or incorrectly replaced. Common issues include excessive gap due to wear, incorrect plug type, improper torque, carbon tracking. The 3.5-liter EcoBoost is particularly sensitive to plug condition because of high cylinder pressures from turbocharging. The simple fix that works. Here's the fix that has resolved cold start misfires for thousands of owners. Replace spark plugs and ignition coils together. Not one or the other, both. While it may seem excessive, replacing plugs without coils often leads to the misfire returning. Replacing coils without plugs can shorten the life of the new coils. Why this works. New plugs ensure consistent ignition under high pressure. New coils deliver strong spark during cold starts. The ignition system is reset to factory-level performance. According to Ford master technicians, this approach resolves the issue in 80 to 90% of cases. Expert recommendations for part selection. Not all parts are equal, and this matters. Spark plug recommendations? Use Motorcraft OEM spark plugs. Avoid generic or one-size-fits-all plugs. Verify correct heat range and gap. An independent EcoBoost specialist notes, aftermarket plugs might work on naturally aspirated engines, but EcoBoost motors are unforgiving. OEM plugs prevent repeat issues. Ignition coil recommendations. Motorcraft coils are preferred. Avoid cheap aftermarket coil packs. Replace all coils, not just one. Mixing old and new coils can create uneven combustion, leading to new misfires. Why replacing only one coil is a mistake. Some shops replace only the coil corresponding to the misfire code. This often leads to repeat visits. Here's why. Coils age at similar rates. Cold starts stress all cylinders. One failure often signals others are close behind. Replacing all coils at once restores balanced ignition, prevents future misfires, saves labor costs long-term. What about carbon buildup? Carbon buildup is often blamed, and while it can contribute, it's rarely the primary cause of a cold start misfire. The truth about carbon: direct injection engines do develop intake valve deposits. Severe buildup can cause rough idle. However, carbon issues usually cause persistent, not cold-only misfires. If your misfire only occurs cold, clears up completely once warm, returns consistently the next morning, then ignition components are far more likely than carbon buildup. When the simple fix isn't enough. While the ignition fix works in most cases, there are exceptions. Possible secondary causes: fuel injectors with poor spray pattern, vacuum leaks, PCV system issues, software calibration problems. However, experienced technicians stress this point. You always start with plugs and coils. Anything else comes after. Jumping straight to injectors or intake cleaning without addressing ignition often wastes money. Model years. Most affected. Cold start misfires have been reported across multiple F-150 generations, but they are more common in 2011 to 2016 models, early 2017 to 2018 units. Later model years benefited from improved coil design, updated engine calibrations, revised spark plug specs. That said, even newer trucks can develop the issue with age and mileage. Why Ford didn't issue a recall? Many owners ask why there was no recall if the issue is so common. The answer is simple. It's not a safety defect. It doesn't affect emissions long-term. It's considered a wear-related condition. From Ford's perspective, spark plugs and coils are maintenance items, even if they fail earlier than expected in some driving conditions. Real-world owner experiences across forums and repair shops, a clear pattern emerges. Owners report rough cold starts for months, dealers recommending expensive diagnostics, misfire disappearing after replacing plugs and coils. One F-150 owner with 120,000 miles shared, "I was quoted $2,800 for injectors. Changed plugs and coils myself for a fraction of that. Problem gone instantly." Stories like this are common and revealing, preventing cold start misfires in the future. Once fixed, you can reduce the chance of recurrence. Maintenance tips: replace spark plugs every 40,000 to 50,000 miles. Avoid extended oil change intervals. Use high-quality fuel. Let the engine idle briefly before driving hard. Turbocharged engines demand proactive maintenance, and the EcoBoost is no exception. Final verdict: a scary problem with a simple solution. The Ford F-150 3.5L EcoBoost cold start misfire sounds alarming, feels dramatic, and often leads owners to fear the worst. But in reality, it's usually an ignition issue, not engine failure. With the right approach, replace spark plugs and coils together. Use OEM quality parts. Address the issue early. You can restore smooth cold starts, protect your engine, and avoid unnecessary repair bills. As one veteran Ford technician summed it up, "The EcoBoost is a strong engine. When it misfires cold, it's not braking, it's asking for maintenance. And when you give it exactly that, the simple fix truly works."